What is up, people of YouTube? What we're doing today, taking off the J-pipe. So I didn't film the beginning of it because yeah, it's kind of off already. But we're at the point in the uninstall process where I gotta go get a tool because those O2 sensors do not want to move at all. I don't have the right size wrench, and the adjustable wrench I have is probably gonna strip them. So I don't want to strip them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run to Harbor Freight probably, see if they have the tool for the O2 sensor. If not, just see if they got a couple wrenches, I guess. Yeah. So the reason I didn't film at the beginning because I wanted to focus on getting those studs off for the turbo flange right there. Those are known to be a pain in the ass and snap. So I was kind of just focusing. I didn't want to snap them and then have to go drill them out and tap them. So where we're at now, no casualties as of yet. Just got to run and get a tool for the O2 sensor, and then we could swap them over to the stock J-pipe, throw that in with the gaskets, then reflash the car for the access port for no J-pipe. So I guess we'll do stage 1, because why do stage 0 if you still have an access port? So we'll do stage 1. Car will be a lot more quiet, a lot less fun. We'll be a lot more closer to trading in the car. So let me run to the store. I'm gonna see if they got this tool. And if they don't, I'm probably gonna have to run to my friend's house, which is a lot further south, which will take me a lot longer. And it's starting to snow. So hopefully, cross your fingers that Harbor Freight has it for me. And we'll get the show on the road. Oh, I gotta put the boost pill back. Don't let me forget. I gotta put the pill back in the wastegate hose, I think. I gotta look that up again. Yeah, so let's go get the tool. Alright, so it's the next day. I kinda gave up on it last night, but it started snowing, so I had to deal with shoveling and all that shit and getting tools because I didn't have the right ones. So I got the right tools. O2 sensors are out. Right there. So what we gotta do now is we gotta throw those on the stock one, which is over here. Got that. And then I got the pipe over there, the rest of it over there. Gotta throw those on, then throw it on the car, gaskets, and I forgot to look up where the boost pill goes. I mean, I have a general idea, but I'll actually look up exactly where it's supposed to go. Throw that in, reflash it, and have a lot less fun with the car. So let's do that. Let's just get that done with, and let's do it.
6.5 hours later.
Wow, I forgot how annoying that was. So the small piece of the J-pipe is in. What do we got here? This guy's in. Turbo stops right there. I gotta throw the rest of it in, catch the stock cap back. It's too dark, you really can't see back there. But it's right past that hanger right there. It's back there. Gotta put the heat shields back on first, then O2 sensors, then that piece. Yeah, then we gotta do the pill, and then we gotta reflash it, and I think that's done. Let me get cracking on that. The hard part's done, so let me just finish now, and we should be good. Okay, so I got the full cap back on. The cap back, I never took the cap back off. I got the full J-pipe on, it's connected to the cap back. Last step for this part of the install is the boost pill. So I'm gonna throw the boost pill back in. Got it right here. It's one of the things I never threw out, so lucky me, because I'd be screwed right now. Gonna throw the boost pill back in, then start reassembling the underside of the car. I got that little like skid plate thing, the little like mud guard thing. Yeah, this garage is a mess, but gonna throw those things back in, bolt that thing back up, and reflash the car, and we are done. So let me just show you really quick, because it took me like I couldn't really remember where the hell the boost pill goes. So it actually took me about 20 minutes looking on the internet. You got this. This is your turbo. I think that's your oil feed for the turbo. This is going to your boost controller. If you have the Grimspeed 3-port, it's up here. Can't really see very well, but it's up there. I obviously don't have that on anymore. Got the blow valve up there, but it's this hose right here. This one coming off the T. This goes to the wastegate back here. And we're gonna pop this hose off. Right there. Gonna pop that hose off, throw the boost pill back in, reassemble the bottom of this car, and then reflash. So let me get on to doing that, and I'll be right back. All right. As you can hear, the car is on. Sounds very, very quiet. Let's just take it around the block and make sure nothing blows up. Every time you reflash, the gas pedal's like shit. Ugh. I'm gonna get used to that again. I feel like I almost stole it all the time. Okay, that's just spinning out there. Okay, we're good. Let's see you back in the garage. All right, so we're back in the garage. Test drive went well. The car is very, very quiet, and it's very boring to drive now. It sounds like every other WRX, but yeah, that was like the last main mod to come off the car. I still got the wheels, takes 2 seconds to come off. I got a shift knob and the access port, but those are all really quick, and I could really do that like in a parking lot somewhere. I don't even need to like set aside time to do it. So yeah, car's basically back to stock now, and it's been fun. But I didn't film too much of this removal / install or whatever, because I was kind of just focusing on getting it done, because it's kind of annoying to do. Putting the stock one back on gave me a hard time because of the fucking freaking heat shields and stuff. So kind of hard to get like bolts in up there, over there, and there. Very long extensions, swivels, but we got it done, and we're back to stock, and it's no check engine lights or anything, so we're all good with that. Like I said, didn't film a lot, but this is a little quick update video, I guess, kind of. This is just like a little quick video just to like keep you guys up to date with what's going on. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for joining me. We're almost at 300, so let's keep them coming. At the time of this video, I think we need like 20 more. 21 maybe. Yeah, I think 21 more. So yeah, keep the subscriptions coming. Thumbs up for me. If you got any questions that you would like to have me answer, leave them down in the comment section. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. We'll be a lot less.